Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can deposit money from bank to your Kucoin. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, so for that all you gotta do is open up your particular browser, type in kucoin.com and access their official website. And from right over here simply type in kucoin.com and get into the official website. Then add your credentials and sign in as well. Then go ahead, tap on this option of deposit as shown on top. Once you have done that, this is how the interface is gonna pop up. You're gonna come over here and simply go ahead and tap on this option of deposit Fiat. Then now you're gonna simply go ahead, choose your Fiat, aka simply change your currency if you would like. Once you have added the currency that you want to receive the money in, go to this payment method, which also shows easy bank transfer, advance, AdvCash, and regular bank transfer. Whichever one you choose, go ahead, tap on that one, and now come over here, enter your account, last four digit as it has asked, enter the amount of yours, tap on pay option. Once you have done that, this is how it's gonna appear. Pay your amount particular and recipient, bank, reference number, fees. Tap on confirm and your account will get the money transferred. And now you can check it by going to your assets and tapping on this funding account, and you will be able to check out the history as well. So that's how we can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on next video.